आयचे तरणाटे शिक्षणान फाटी नात. प्रत्येका कडेन तरेतरेचें शिक्षण आनी कला आसा. ताचो योग्य वापर करतलो जाल्यार उद्देग आसप गरजेचें आसा. तशेंच सरकारान रोजगाराच्यो संदी तयार करून तरणाट्यांक रोजगार दिवपाकच जाय. तशेंच शिकिल्ल्या तरणाट्यांक उद्देग करपा खातीर मदत करप ही सरकाराची जबाबदारी आसा आनी सरकार हें करपाक शकना जाल्यार तांणी घरा बसपाचें अशें मत विश्वजीत राणेन कुशळ विकास आनी उद्देग संचालनालयान घडोवन हाडिल्ल्या कौशल्य जागृताय कार्यक्रमाक उलयतना उक्तायलें. पणजेन कला अकादमीन जाल्ल्या ह्या कार्यक्रमाक माचेर मंत्री राणे, संचालक देसाय, उद्देग संघटनेचे प्रतिनिधी आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आसले. कुशळ आनी उद्देग मळार बरें काम केल्ल्यांचो मानेस्तांच्या हस्तुकीं भोवमान केला. ITI करपी विद्यार्थ्यान ITI केल्ल्याचो दाखलो मेळोवपा खातीर ITI करची न्ही, जाल्यार ITI शिकतना घेतिल्ल्या शिक्षणाचो योग्य जाग्यार उपेग करून घेवचो. जायते तरणाटे ITI केल्ल्या उपरांत कारकुनाचें काम मेळचें म्हूण आपल्या कडेन येतात, अशें मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयलो.
It's not difficult to achieve something. You have to have a passion. And our boys need jobs. Employment, every government must make all effort to see that the boys get jobs. What is the government for? If the government cannot give jobs, the government should wind up and say, we lock and key, we are not in a position to perform. And we have a good chief minister, we have a very dynamic prime minister, but then unless we take the industry into confidence and unless the departments work, and skilling department, entrepreneurship, we are coming up with the entrepreneurship policy. I think director is away on the 6th, we will be having a program where top people from the industry are going to be present because there's a CII conclave on the 7th of February. On that day, we are going to have interactions with the industry, trying to see how we can fill in the gaps. Top names of the industry, right from Bajaj to everybody is going to be there in order to exchange ideas and to see how we can come close to each other and actually able to deliver to these people on what we commit. I would like to assure all the students of the ITI, don't feel that ITI is just a mere certificate. Many boys who do ITI come to me for a LDC's job. Many boys come from ITI for a multitasking job. We don't want you to be a multitasking employee, neither we want you to be just an ordinary government servant just because you want to be a government servant. In fact, we need to create that ecosystem to give you a good quality job as per what you are trained for by upgrading your knowledge and skilling you, and that is what we are here for. Every government needs to get its priorities correct. Every government needs to work in a very passionate manner to see that the youth of this country have to be taken care of. The Department of Skill Development cannot only skill but also has to have an ecosystem where they are able to engage with the companies and entrepreneurs, and we are able to bring people together, and we are able to create jobs and permanent jobs for them. And if you skill yourself more and more, you automatically become indispensable for that company.
ITI आनी उद्देगांत प्रत्यक्षांत काम करपा खातीर जाय आशिल्ल्या कुशळ कामगारांचो मेळ बसना. देखून उद्देग आनी संबंदीत खात्यां मदीं करार जावपाची गरज आसा. तशें जाल्यार उद्देजकांक जाय आशिल्ल्या कुशळ कामगारांची यादी संबंदीत खात्याक मेळपाक शकता, अशें वेर्णा उद्देजक संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष उलयलो.
Like what Dr. Kula said, in a pharmacy, we don't have skills that are coming out. So that skill training can be, see, we tried in Sipla also to kind of make a skilling procedure. See, if these people come and get trained there, they can be absorbed in any pharmaceutical industry later on. So you should not limit it only to the ITI. You should come up with the industry. We can give the place, we can give our people to get these people trained, and we can make them work in the industry. So that kind of partnership, I feel, with the Honorable Minister, it will be very easy to synergize these things.